recording, and here we have. Today's our class number 6, and this is today's topic. Today we are going to talk about ing and ed adjectives. They are also called participial adjectives. Okay, this is a really important topic. So, at the end of this class, you will know participial adjectives, ing and ed adjectives, and how to use them. And here we have today's warm-up activity. I will choose one of you to say an adjective, and after that, that student will choose another student to do the same. Okay, so I will choose and Valerie, are you there?
Hi, teacher. Yes.
Can you say an adjective?
An adjective. Beautiful.
Beautiful, that's great. Can you choose another student, please?
Yes. María Gabriela. Fast.
Fast, that's great. Now, Maria Gabriela, can you choose another student?
Niley.
Okay, Naili, are you there?
Yeah.
Or is it Naili? I don't know.
Niley.
Naili. Okay, that's great.
Okay. Yeah, well, an adjective will be friendly.
Friendly, that's great. Now, Naili, can you choose another student?
Okay, Vanessa.
Vanessa, are you there?
Yes. Interesting.
Interesting, that's great. So, well, students, here on the right side we have a definition about what adjectives are. And adjectives are the ones that you use to describe, modify, or modify nouns like people, things, or places. Just wait for a second. I have one student here. It is Angela. Just wait. Here we have it. Okay. So let's go back. Here we have. So well, here we have some examples of adjectives: short, funny, gorgeous, wonderful, amazing, hot, cold, strong, and beautiful. Do you have any questions?
Not yet. No.
Awesome. Now, here we have today's topic, and here we have the definition: participles. Participles. This is a particular group because, and here we have the definition, okay? They are verbs that can be transformed into adjectives. So they are a particular group of verbs that can be transformed into adjectives. And here we have some examples. Here we have the verb bore, the verb amaze, the verb excite. Now, here we have how to transform them. We have two options. We can use present participle by adding ing at the end of the verb, and we can use past participle by adding ed at the end of the verb. So here we have some examples. Bore becomes boring for present participle. Amaze, amazing. Excite, exciting. And for the past participle, bore becomes bored, amaze becomes amazed, and excite becomes excited. Do you have any questions?
Nope. No. No.
Okay, that's awesome. That's great. So here in the right side we have some examples of this in this case this verb and of this adjectives. Okay, so we have for the verb it amazes me that she's got the energy for all those parties. And here we have an example of present participle. Amazing. It's amazing that no one else has applied for the job. Here we have another. Amazed. This is the past participle. We were amazed to discover that we've been at school together. Do you have any questions?
Teacher, it means that once one group applies to situations and things, and the other group applies to feelings, to
You
right?
are you are right on money. Tiene toda la razón. Because here we have ones are used for characteristics and the other ones, in this case the ed, are used for feelings. Okay, so is this clear so I can explain this part?
Yes.
Awesome. So here we have adjectives ending in ed and ing. So here we had two sentences. He's bored. These books are boring. Boring. So here we have adjectives that end in ing are used to describe a characteristic. This is the important word here. Characteristic of a person, thing, or situation. And it causes a feeling. Okay, this is a characteristic which causes feelings. But a thing cannot have a feeling, but it can cause a feeling. But when we have adjectives that end in ed are used to describe a feeling. This is the important word here. They describe feelings or emotions. So it is how we feel, the important word, about something. So we is because this particular type of words are used for people and animals. Okay, because they are the ones that can have feelings. Is this clear?
Yes. It's clear.
Awesome, that's amazing. Now just wait for a second in case I have another student here. And it is Daniela. Ok, bueno, eso era como lo más. Eso era lo más difícil de toda la clase. Ya todo el resto ya es como bastante sencillo. Now, here we have just our examples, and here in small letters we have some examples. So I will choose one of you to read the examples. I will choose Mayerlin. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Can you read the examples, please?
The books are boring. We are describing a characteristic of these books. What do these books cause? They make people feel bored.
It's great. Now, can you continue with this one? He's bored.
Okay. He is bored. This is his feeling right now. This feeling was caused by the books. He's not going to be bored for eternity. He feels bored for now. It is temporary.
Okay, that's great. Amazing job. Just be careful with this one. This is temporary. The pronunciation, temporary. Temporary.
Temporary.
You got it.
Temporary.
Temporary.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, students, do you have any questions about the using of ed adjectives and ing adjectives? Just remember.
Teacher,
Okay, tell me.
we can say he's boring.
No, that is not correct. Okay, and here we have no, that is not here. Okay, remember that
Boring.
we use ing as boring to describe characteristic. So if we say he is boring, that means él es aburrido. O sea que él siempre es aburrido. Es una persona aburrida que causa que las otras personas se aburran. O sea, ok, he is boring. It is different that he is bored because that means él está aburrido. Entonces, está aburrido en ese momento por alguna razón, pero no va a estar aburrido para siempre. You get that?
Yes, thank you.
Anytime. So, always remember ing adjectives, characteristic. Characteristic. They express characteristics. And ed, feelings. Okay?
Teacher, but if I say he's boring, it's like offensive.
Yes, for sure.
I didn't know that.
Yes, it is.
That's great. Possible. Yes, it's possible, right?
It's possible. It is grammatically correct, but it's kind of offensive. Yes.
I thought that it was incorrect.
No, it is nothing. It is not incorrect, but it is offensive. Yes. So here we have more examples to compare the difference. I am tired right now. My flight was tiring. Here we are describing the flight. So because it was a 12-hour flight. Now here we have another. Public toilets are sometimes disgusting. This is a characteristic. Sometimes disgusting. We are describing a characteristic of public toilets. And I am disgusted by the smell of them. So this is a feeling that I have. I am disgusted by them. Your speech was inspiring. So we are describing the speech. Now here we have I am now inspired to do great things with my life. So this is how I feel right now. I feel inspired. You got it? Is this clear?
Yes, I got it. Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. So here we have more. This is like the definition that you already know to describe, and this is feelings. Okay, describe characteristics and feelings with no, that's the opposite. Están intercambiadas. Here we have ed, feelings, and ing to describe characteristics. And here we have some examples, and here we have more examples, and here in the right side we have even more examples. Now I will choose one of you to read the examples. I will choose Alessandro. Are you there?
Yes.
Can you read, please?
Yeah. I'm confused. The students are interested. I feel challenged. Roger is a bit depressed. Okay. The rules are confusing. It's an interesting lesson. That is a discouraging thought. Perdón. What an inspiring idea.
That's great. Okay, wait, right there. Just go for this one. This is discouraging. And this one is thought. Thought. With like a na sound. Thought. discouraging thought. You get that, Alessandro?
Yeah, fact.
Awesome. Now, can
That
you?
is a discouraging fact.
Awesome job, Alessandro. Now, can you continue, please?
Yeah. I was very tired last night, and the lecture was tiring.
That's correct. Can you continue, please?
Yeah. I feel annoyed when you make that silly noise. Don't you find Sarah's behavior annoying? Peter is confused by the teacher's question. The IKEA instruction is totally confusing. Hundreds of disappointed fans were rushing toward the exit of the stadium. The children were so excited when they took them to the zoo. John was surprised when he heard the news. Things are changing at a surprising speed. Why didn't you call? I was worried. The news about climate change is worrying.
Okay, that's great. Amazing job, Alessandro. Really nice pronunciation. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No. No, teacher.
No, teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay, that's amazing. So, here we have some um, verbs that can be used as participle adjectives. So, here we have the participle adjectives in the left side of the list. We have the ed, the one ended in ed, and in the right side of the list we have the ones ended in ing. So I will choose one of you to read. I will choose Leonardo.
Hi.
Can you read
Um,
it? And from
sure.
frightened, no, this is frightened. For frightened to puzzled, to puzzling.
Sure. The first verb is frightened. It becomes frightening. Frustrated becomes frustrating. Horrified, horrifying. Interested, interesting. Irritated, irritating. And puzzled, puzzling.
Okay, puzzling.
Puzzling.
Awesome. Now let's pass to Oscar Lamas. Can you continue from
What is puzzling, teacher?
puzzling? Puz becomes from como los puzzles de los juegos, pero en este caso, let me double check. Misterioso,
Oh, okay. Thank you.
¿ok? And puzzled, perplejo es. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Do you have any other
Thank you.
questions?
No.
Oh, okay, that's great. Anybody else? Okay, so let's pass to Oscar. Can you do from relaxed to tiring?
Okay. Okay. Relaxing, satisfied, satisfying, shocked, shocking, surprising, terrified, terrifying, tired, tiring.
You got it. Great job, Oscar. Now let's pass to Ana Castilla. Can you do from amazed to depressing? Ana Castilla, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, sorry. Okay, amazed, amazing, amusing, bored, boring, comforted, comforting, confused, confusing, depressed, depressing.
Awesome. Now let's pass to Ana Cueros. Can you do from disappointed to fascinating?
Disappointed, disappointing, disgusting, embarrassed, embarrassing, excited, exciting, exhausted, exhausting, fascinate, fascinating.
Okay, great job. Just be careful with the pronunciations of these words. This is disgusted. This is gust.
Disgust,
You got it. Disgusted. This is embarrassed.
embarrassed,
You got it. The first syllable is in the middle. But. But. Just let me double check. Wait. And yes, it is embarrassed. The first syllable in the middle. Embarrassed. And this is embarrassing. And this one is exhaust. Here we have also. Here we also. We have here we
Okay.
have a sh sound too. Okay,
Exhaust.
exhausted, and exhausting. Great job. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No. So far, so good.
It's correct. Okay, so well, here we have some sentences with some blanks, and you will need to complete them by using the right participle accusative. So I will choose one of you to do from the number 1 to the number 3. And I will choose Maria Parra. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you try?
Okay. My neighbors are very annoyed because they make too much noise.
So can you
Yes.
repeat which one? Letter A or B?
Annoyed.
Okay, so letter A.
Is letter A, is that correct? Or
Okay, let's take a let's check. Remember, ed is for characteristic. No, and remember, ed is for feelings, and ing is for characteristic. Here, my neighbors are because they make too much noise. So here we are trying to describe the neighbors. Okay.
okay, sería entonces annoying.
You got that. Annoying is the right one. Correct.
Okay. My neighbors are very annoying because they make too much noise.
Good.
Okay, the second. John was amazed when he saw the dinosaur bones at the museum.
You got it. Just be careful with this one. This is the pronunciation is amazed with the sound. We don't say a. We never say a. This is the amazed.
Amazed.
Okay, you have to make
Okay.
like a bit zzz. I know it's a hard song.
Okay.
And this
La
is
tercera.
yes, but be careful with this one. This is dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Mr. Smith really didn't like that movie. He thought it was boring.
That's good. That's really good. So be careful with this one. This is thought. Thought. It
Thought.
was boring. It's good.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Anytime. Now let's pass to Vanessa. Can you do for number 4 to number 6? Do the number 4 and
Yes.
after that I will show you 5 and 6.
I'm confused. Does our train leave at 6:30 or at 7:30?
It's good. Confused is the right one. That's great. Now, can you do 5 and 6?
And number 5. Okay, cloudy, rainy days always make me feel depressed.
I was depressed. Now, number 6.
6. I'm never late for class because it's embarrassing when everyone looks at me.
It's good. Embarrassing. Now, let's pass to Niley. Can you do for number 7 to number 9, please?
Okay. And number 7. Of course, action movies are exciting. That's why I like them.
It's good.
Number 8. I'm really afraid of large spiders. I think they are frightening.
That's great. Number 9.
Number 9. I have 2 tickets to the music concert. Are you interested?
Sounds great. Really good. Interested.
Thank you.
Now let's pass to Daniela. Can you do for number 10 to number 12, please?
Yes, teacher. I was very pleased by the good news. We have a holiday next Monday.
Okay, that's great. And just be careful. Pleased.
Pleased. Okay. Well, I think in 11 and spend a very. I am a little bit confused because I think it is relaxed. I don't sure.
Okay, so you are not sure. Let's take a look. Here we have Anne. I'll say Anne spent a very day at home yesterday. Relaxing is the right one because we are describing a very something the day.
Per day. Okay, and spent a very relaxing day at home yesterday.
It's good.
And satisfied customers are very important for any successful business.
So satisfied, correct?
Satisfied.
That's good. It is correct. Is this clear?
Yes.
It's great. Great job, Daniela. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
It's clear for me, teacher.
Oh, yeah.
Clear.
Amazing. Now let's pass to Angela Torrealba. Can you do from 13 to 15?
Hi, teacher. Okay. Did you hear about the chocolate news? There was a terrible accident. 14.
Okay. Wait. Can you repeat? Which one did you say?
Okay. Did you hear about the chocolate news? There was a terrible accident.
Okay, that's great. Just be careful. Shocked is an emotion. and we are talking. Did you hear about the news? So here we are trying to describe a characteristic of the news. So it is not an emotion.
Okay,
it is
shocking.
Shocking. Because it is a
Shocking.
characteristic. Great. Shocking
Okay.
news. You-
Okay, the next, I was quite surprising when my little son jumped up and shouted boo.
Okay, so is this surprising or surprised?
Surprise is a temporary action, and yes, I was quite surprised when my little son jumped up and shouted boo.
Okay, that's good. So it is surprised.
Okay,
Don't forget that.
surprised. Surprised.
That's great.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay. The chocolate cake on the table is really is really tempt. Should I eat it?
Okay, so it's really. Can you repeat? Tempted or tempting?
What is tentación?
Tentador.
Okay. It, the chocolate cake on the table is really tempting. Should I eat it?
That's good. Tempting. Should I eat it?
Tempting.
That's
Okay. I hate roller coaster. I think they are terrified.
Okay, so is this one terrified or terrifying?
Is emotion?
Okay, you have to be careful. I hate roller coasters. I think they are. So if I say, I think
the next sentences say, I think is in my mind, and I think I thought emotion.
But it is not correct because here we are saying
It's wrong. Okay.
yes, because
okay.
we are saying,
It's a red roller coaster. I think they aren't terrifying. Yes.
yes, but let me explain. Just wait for a second.
Okay.
Let me explain
is
it. Let me
I
explain
think
it.
I thought because I say I hate and the next and I think and I thought okay is terrified is a feel.
Okay, Angela, listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. Here we have I hate.
Okay.
Yo odio. And I have I think.
Yes.
Yo pienso. Son
Yes.
cosas que yo podría sentir. Pero here we have this part of the sentence, esta parte de la oración. They are. Entonces las estoy describiendo. No puedo decir ellas
Okay.
están asustadas. Porque si fuera they are terrified, ellas son espantadas. You got that? So you have to say terrifying. They are terrifying.
Okay.
Ellas son espantosas. You get that?
Okay.
Because this is a characteristic.
Okay.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's clear.
Resumen, no importa si dice I hate, no importa si dice I think, no importa si dice I guess. Lo que verdaderamente importa es ¿qué dice después? Si dice they are, yo creo que ellas son. I think they are. Entonces cuando ya estoy diciendo they are, ya las estás describiendo. Y al describir tienes que usar características. They are terrifying. Si yo quisiera decir, por ejemplo, I think that I feel terrified when I am on a roller coaster. That way I use I think that I feel terrified because I feel, yo siento, ¿ok? Cuando digo I feel,
Okay.
entonces ahí sí puedo usar terrified.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Angela, great job, really good. I know it's hard. That one was hard. Eso está difícil.
Teacher,
Tell me.
teacher, I remember that you said at the beginning the important word characteristic and feeling. It is the key.
You get that. You get that. Remember, always remember these words. ING is a characteristic. So most of the times we use them with the verb be to describe things. They are boring, they are interesting, and we use ed with feelings. So this is a feeling. Y la otra, digamos, el otro tip que pueden ver para poder identificar cuándo es cuál es como estas de emociones y sentimientos. Solamente los que podemos sentir emociones y sentimientos somos nosotros, las personas o los animales. Entonces siempre van a terminar siendo I am surprised, she is surprised, we are tempted, ¿ok? Pero nunca vamos a decir que las montañas rusas están o que alguna cosa está surprised, tempted, shocked, porque las cosas no sienten emociones, ¿ok?
Yes, it's clear.
Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Now, here we have some sentences with some blanks, and you will need to use any participle adjective that you have learned in today's class to complete these blanks. Okay? So now I will choose, and Mayerlin, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Can you do it for number 1 to number 3, please?
Yes, this film is so boring. I'm going to bed. My English teacher is very estoy buscando un verbo.
No worries. An adjective. Remember, adjective related to
Adjective,
fun.
perdón. Sí, adjective. My English teacher is very smart.
Okay, smart.
He makes every lesson fun.
Okay, in that case, smart no puede ser un participle adjective porque no existe un verbo que sea smart. I smart,
Okay.
you smart, no existe, okay? Pero
Okay.
here we have a list. You can use any of these.
Amazed.
Amazed. Okay, so
My English teacher is very amazed. He makes every lesson fun.
okay, so is it amazed or amazing? Because we are describing the teacher, not the teacher's feeling.
Yes. Okay. Yes, it is a characteristic. My English teacher is very amazing. He makes every lesson fun.
It's good. Number 3.
I was surprised when I opened my birthday present.
Awesome job. Really good job, Madeline. Just be careful. Don't forget
Thank you.
the at the end. Surprised.
Surprised
Awesome.
when I opened my birthday present.
Okay, the is for surprised. Opened is with the opened.
Okay. I opened my birthday present.
Great. Awesome. Now let's pass to you, Valerie. Can you do for number 4 to number 6, please?
Yes. My holiday to Disneyland was amazing.
It's amazing. Very good.
My mom is very because she worked very hard today. My mom is very tired because she worked very hard today.
That's good.
My sister is so my sister is so annoying. She always disturbs me when I am doing my homework.
That's amazing. Really good job. Now let's pass to Leonardo Garcia.
Hi.
Can
Number 7.
Yes, from 7 to 9.
Studying alone at home is very relaxing. I was very annoyed. I was very annoyed when I got a 7 in the test because I studied a lot for it.
Okay, that's good. Annoyed.
Number 9 is studying adjectives is very fun. I'm excited.
That's good. Just be careful. Remember that you cannot use fun. So fun is correct, but here we're using participle adjectives, so you have to use another.
Okay, it's very stimulating.
Stimulating. Okay, sounds good. You can also say interesting.
Interesting. Yeah.
Interesting.
I was
Okay.
going to say
Right. Great job.
Thank you.
Awesome. Okay, students, do you have any questions?
No,
Okay.
everything crystal clear.
Awesome. So here I have some questions for you. So, Oscar Lamas, can you answer the question number 1? What kinds of TV programs are you interested in?
Okay. What kind of TV programs are you interested in? I'm interested in sports programs.
Okay, that's good. Which sport?
Baseball,
Baseball.
mainly.
Baseball. It's good.
Major League Baseball. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Now let's pass to Ana Castilla. Can you answer the number 2, please? Ana Castilla, are you there? I think she's not there. So let's pass to Ana Cuberos. Number 2.
I don't remember when was the last time that I feel embarrassed.
Okay. So you can answer the number 3.
Embarrassed.
You can say the number 3.
Watch TV on the bed.
Okay, remember what makes you feel relaxed? I feel relaxed
What
when
makes you feel relaxed? What makes you feel relaxed? Watch TV on the bed.
That's good. You can also say I feel relaxed when I watch TV on my bed. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Great. Now let's pass to Alessandro. Can you answer the number 4? Alessandro, are you there? Okay, I think he's not there. So let's pass to you. And Leonardo, question 4.
Okay, do you feel tired after class? After English class, no, but presential classes are very tiring because of the traveling. Traveling to the classroom and attending the classes and attending the class and getting back home is very tiring.
It's good. Great job, Leonardo. Amazing, amazing job. Now let's pass to
Thank you.
Maria Parra. Can you answer the number 5?
Were you satisfied with the test results of your last grammar test? No, I don't really feel satisfied because I was it was a lot of little mistakes on that.
Oh, okay. So it happens sometimes.
Yes.
Okay, now let's pass to Carlos Peña. Number 6. Carlos, are you there? Carlos. Okay, I think he is not there, so let's pass to Naili.
And number 6, right?
Yes.
Yeah, well, I think that the last time that I felt terrified was last week because I was dreaming that I was flying in a plane and the plane was falling down. So it was very terrifying.
Okay, it sounds extremely terrifying. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Great job. Now let's pass to Maria Sanchez. Can you answer the number 7, please?
Yes, teacher. Talk about a time you were worried. Is when I wait to the note to the exam. I'm worried.
Oh, to the oral exam.
Yes.
Okay, it happens. Okay, great job, Maria. Now let's pass to Daniela.
The question 8.
Yes, please.
I think I maybe I listening that person express my support.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
I was a little confused. I don't expect that question. Sorry.
Yeah, it's a little difficult. If you want, you can answer another.
Oh, okay. La que me está señalando, ¿no?
Yes, no.
I was worried today because I don't have or I didn't have so much to do.
Oh, okay. It's good. Okay, great job, Daniela. Now let's pass to you.
Thank you, teacher.
Anytime. Now let's pass to you, Angela Torrealba. Talk about a time you were very surprised.
Okay, talk about a time you were very surprised. Okay, the last trimester in my university, I received an email where um, where say me what approved my chain career. I started I started in the university in other career, and and I I I changed to architecture, and this email I feel surprised me.
Okay, so you feel surprised. It's great.
Yes.
Okay, great job, Angela. Okay, so you could change your career. That's amazing. I had many friends who, and they told me that was extremely
Yes.
difficult. You needed good grades. So it's good, really good. Great job, Angela. Now let's pass to Vanessa. Can you answer the letter A?
What kind of TV programs do you think are boring? I think that novels are boring because there is too much drama and it feels too much fake. So they are boring to me.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now let's pass to Mayerlin.
Yes.
This one.
Talk about something you think is fascinating. Well, for me at this moment, the last technology of 3D print is really fascinating because this technology allows to make a lot of things. You can make real any idea or any project that you have in mind and make it real.
Okay, that's good. Sounds great. Sounds interesting. Now let's pass to Valerie.
Okay, talk about some surprising news you hear or read about. Okay, today I read about a new balloon that actually they made it with the third dimension print. Was made by Wilson, the company Wilson, and it's a balloon that doesn't have air inside.
Oh.
And yes, it's really shocking. The NBA are like making, how to say it, making investigation, because it's not approved to use it in competitions, but they are investigating if they can be used in the competition, and cost $2,500,
Wow.
and it's sold out. Yes.
Great job, Valerie. I think you can also say researching. Researching.
Oh. Okay, researching is correct. Right.
It's good. Okay, ¿Me falta alguien? No. Okay, so here, students, we have some sentences that I am going to read, and you are going to say if they are true or false and why. So, we use ing adjectives with emotions. This is true or false?
False.
False. False.
Why?
Because ing adjective is for characteristics.
We use it for characteristics. Correct. Now, what about the second one? We use ed to describe characteristics. So, is it true or false?
False.
False too.
False.
False. Why?
Because it is
The other way around.
Emotions.
That's it. Because we use ed adjectives to describe emotions or to express emotions. So, students, let me stop recording.